possible. Later this evening, the thunderstorm potential will spread eastward.
Here are programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate,
Although the severe potential will steadily diminish.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for EAS County and Central Comanche County in north central Texas until 7:15 this evening. At 5:58 this evening, a severe thunderstorm is located over De Leon, or 10 miles west of Dublin, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazards with this storm involve 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Again, the National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erath County and Central Comanche County in north Texas until 7:15. Although
You're using 8 different, we didn't watch it.
You're pushing that way.